Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn a program to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. First of all, what is prime number? A prime number is a natural number that has only one and itself as a factor. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on are the prime numbers. Let's see the code to check whether input number is prime number or not. Inside the main function, first of all we have to declare variables. N is a variable for a number, and I is a variable for a loop, and C is a variable for result. So first of all, with the help of printf function, display the message onto the screen, enter any number. And with the help of scanf function, input the value of n. Then after that, apply a for loop for I is equal to 1 and I is less than equal to n and I plus plus. And inside the body of for loop, put the if condition. If n modulus I is equal to 0. If this condition is evaluated to be true, then increase the value of C by 1, C plus plus. This closing curly braces indicates to the end of the if, and this closing braces indicates to the end of the loop. When this condition is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the out of loop, and with the help of if condition, if C is equal to 2, if this condition is true, then with the help of printf display the message given number is prime number. If this condition is evaluated to be false, then else part is to be executed, given number is not prime number. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter any number. This message is to be printed onto the screen, and with the help of scanf function, input the value of n. In this case n is 5, and the output is given number is the prime number. First of all, input the value of n. Value of n is 5. Then for loop is executed. That is, I is 1, 1 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then check the if condition. If n modulus I is equal to 0, the value of n is 5. 5 modulus I is 1. 5 modulus 1 is equal to 0. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then C plus plus. Increase the value of C by 1. Initial value of C is 0. C plus plus. Increase the value of C by 1. Now C become 1. Then I plus plus. I become 2. 2 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then check the if condition. If 5 modulus 2 is equal to 0, 5 modulus 2 is 1, 1 is equal to 0, condition is evaluated to be false. Then again I plus plus, I become 3. 3 is less than equal to 5, condition is evaluated to be true. Then check the if condition. 5 modulus 3 is equal to 0. 5 modulus 3 is 2. 2 is equal to 0. Condition is evaluated to be false. I plus plus I become 4. 4 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then check the if condition. 5 modulus 4 is equal to 0. 5 modulus 4 is 1. 1 is equal to 0. Condition is evaluated to be false. Again I plus plus I become 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then check the if condition. If 5 modulus 5 is equal to 0, 5 modulus 5 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then C plus plus. Increase the value of C by 1. C become 2. Then I plus plus I become 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. In this case, condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the out of for loop. Then check the if condition. Now if C is equal to 2, the value of C is 2. 2 is equal to 2. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then given number is a prime number. This message is to be printed onto the screen. If you want to print the number also, then write down %d is prime number and %d display the value of n. Now run this code. If user input a number 7, 7 is prime number. This message is to be printed onto the screen. But if user input a 10, now in this case 10 is a non-prime number.